Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can start the self-cleaning function in the oven Grundig 27000B. So if you want to perform the self-cleaning function, you have to open your oven and put the 250 milliliters of water inside. Then close the doors. Then select the extra programs and go to the down until you see the we have to select the go to the up and now look for the steam clean. Then click on the accept button and click on the start for 1 second. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment and goodbye.